you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, I'm so excited to do this tutorial, as I have been so badly wanting these palettes from Juvia's place. I just recently bought both of these palettes, and today I did a little tutorial on Tribe. So for this look, I only used 3 of the colors in this palette, and it can just be just as easy as that. That's my whole point of these videos, is making it very easy for you to recreate a look without using 10 or 20 different colors, because it's very difficult to try to emulate something when it's really hard to follow along and have it be just as glamorous as if you were using 10 or 20 colors. Here we go with this amazing green inspired look.
All right, let's have fun with this palette. So first step is actually this white eyeshadow base from NYX. This is actually okay. I do think I like the milk crayon better. It's easier to use, and I'm just dabbing it in there just to get a white lid to make these colors pop. So here's a Morphe brush. I use them all interchangeably. So here I'm just kind of adding that real dusting of, because I want to make these colors really pop. So that inner eye, and of course just around the outer edge of my eye base. So here's that amazing color with my most favorite e.l.f. brush of all time, the C brush. I have like 6 or 7 of these. I can't get enough of them. It really packs in the color because of the bristles, and really easy to use. Here's actually a Sigma brush. I really like this brush because, as you can see, I'm taking my time to really define and really just get in that crease. And it has a tapered end, which is really key for making sure the color only goes in a certain line. And then here I'm kind of just feathering it all around and feathering it out. I'm actually, like I said, I'm taking my time. Normally I kind of just rush through it, and then I end up getting a little sloppy. And then here again is another Morphe brush for blending, and just kind of slowly blending that out delicately, because I really don't want to go out of control with the eyeshadow. So I go back and forth, and I also do a dabbing motion. So of course, under the eye, I love, you know, a nice under eye with eyeshadow, and of course just feathering it out again, feathering it out and doing it lightly. So again, taking another Morphe blending brush and just patting and also blending it back in, going over and over. This is kind of like what I'll be doing, back and forth. You really can't go wrong with blending, and then of course adding more dramatic color. So now, this is a really fun thing I love to do. I love to add another eyeshadow that I've already used in the palette, or maybe a fun color, and just kind of drag it out of the lower lash. So here I'm going back in to kind of do that cut crease here, again with that white eyeshadow powder, or that white eyeshadow cream. So here again, I'm just making the exact line that I have, and then I go just over that line, like a 1/16 of an inch, and just rounding it out. So that's really key. So of course, using that color with another e.l.f. brush to really pat in that really pretty color right there to make it all pop. Now I'm going back in, and of course defining that line again, making it look real intense and not too much, you know, honestly, not that much makeup. And then here what I'm doing there is I'm actually curving out, kind of rounding out that edge right there, so it's not super straight. This is my favorite mascara of all time. This is the Super Sizer. Love it. And of course, eyelashes. I love them. It's so easy. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on my latest glue that I use, as I am now a latex-free eyelash glue girl. Eyelashes always complete the look. I absolutely love this look. Now for the lips. So I actually have this liquid suede. It's actually this really neat like eggplanty color, And when I put it on, it's kind of like a brown eggplant. And I was like, you know what? I actually need a little bit more of a pop of a red. So I decided next to use a Wet n Wild kind of deep red. And I feel like that really completes the look.
So let me know what you all think about this look, and of course I want to know if you have any of these palettes, which ones you love the most. I'm sure you do. I'm really excited next to give SOOOOO a try because this is like literally like my spirit palette right here with all these amazing bright colors. Cannot wait. I so appreciate each and every single one of you. Check me out on Instagram, a great way for you to send me photos of your makeup, your wigs, the whole 9 yards. I love it. And of course, remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous and fun, amazing makeup, do it. Do it, love it, feel it, own it. And I want to thank you